The moment you see this white motorhome gliding along the highway, its sleek curves, expansive black-tinted windows, and golden reflections catch your eye immediately. The exterior conveys both elegance and power, compact yet commanding, with lines that flow naturally from front to rear. Even before stepping inside, the sense of craftsmanship is evident, every panel, curve, and window thoughtfully designed to hint at the premium living experience within. This is a vehicle that promises style, comfort, and innovation, all wrapped into a single mobile home that commands attention on the road. Stepping through the entrance, you immediately notice how the interior extends the same design language as the exterior. Matte pearl-white walls curve softly, accented by black glass panels that catch the golden LED reflections embedded along every ceiling and wall contour. The first space draws you in effortlessly, with lighting designed not to overwhelm but to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. The entire interior feels compact yet open, structured so that each curve, reflection, and light interplay guides your eye naturally through the space. The bedroom is your first immersive experience inside. Flowing arcs of pearl-white walls cradle the space, punctuated by black glass accents that add depth and sophistication. The floating bed platform, upholstered in soft beige and framed in matte black, appears to hover subtly thanks to the golden underglow beneath it. A single panoramic black-tinted window follows the curve of the wall, offering a glimpse of the roadside while maintaining privacy. On either side of the bed, matching bedside tables hold functional decor, a warm gold lamp on one, a small vase of flowers on the other, enhancing the cozy ambience. The ceiling above mirrors the wall's flowing arcs, layered and lit with soft golden LEDs, reflecting on the matte charcoal flooring below to create a futuristic yet intimate feel. This bedroom manages to be both serene and striking, giving a sense of personal retreat on the move. Beyond the bedroom, the dressing area continues the premium feel in a compact, functional space. Black glass full-height wardrobes flank the area, some doors half open to reveal neatly arranged clothing, bags, and accessories illuminated by soft golden interior lighting. The floating vanity shelf, finished in matte white, holds a curated selection of perfumes, a jewelry tray, and a small decorative vase. A frameless tall mirror behind the vanity reflects the golden glow softly across the curves of the walls. A slim black-tinted panoramic window adds depth without compromising privacy, and matte warmwood flooring complements the golden accents, creating an environment that is as functional as it is visually stunning. The office comes next, a compact workspace that is surprisingly functional. Matte black walls with pearl-white curved accents echo the aerodynamic design of the motorhome. A floating streamlined desk with golden underlighting is perfectly sized for productivity, and atop it sits a laptop, a coffee mug, a stack of books, and a small vase, creating a lived-in feel. Floating black glass shelves with soft golden lighting hold additional items, ensuring everything has a place without cluttering the space. A slim black-tinted window lets in subtle natural light, while matte charcoal flooring ties the office to the overall interior palette. The result is a compact, premium office where work feels effortless even while traveling. Adjacent is the kitchen, compact yet cleverly designed. Matte black cabinetry with flowing silver trims curves around the space, while a dark stone countertop forms an elongated wave, separating a circular sink from an induction cooktop. A built-in black glass microwave is seamlessly integrated into the curved upper cabinets. Golden LED strips beneath the counters provide both task lighting and ambient glow. A mini dining ledge with two small pebble-shaped stools in black and beige holds a teapot and cups, creating a cozy nook for meals. A curved black-tinted window lets in ambient light while maintaining the sleek aesthetic. Matte charcoal flooring reflects the subtle golden highlights, and the overall space feels modern, functional, and aesthetically pleasing without feeling cramped. The bathroom offers elegance in a compact footprint. Pearl-white curved walls paired with black glass panels create a sense of depth. A frameless oval mirror with golden LED halo rests above a floating vanity with minimalist basin. The compact curved shower is framed with tinted glass and silver trim, while a small commode sits neatly within a sculpted alcove. Matte warmwood flooring picks up soft golden reflections from the lighting above, making the space feel intimate, premium, and inviting. Every detail ensures functionality while retaining the luxurious feel of the motorhome. Next is the spa pool, designed as a personal retreat. Encased within flowing pearl white walls with black glass detailing, the small oval pool sits recessed into the floor, bathed in soft golden underwater lighting that casts shimmering reflections across the walls and ceiling. A built-in matte black bench with beige cushion sits beside the pool, and the layered ceiling above glows softly with golden LEDs, creating a serene atmosphere. A slim black-tinted window lets in a view of the roadside while maintaining the intimate feel. The pool area manages to feel both compact and indulgent, providing a touch of luxury without sacrificing the motorhome's functional design. The gym, compact yet fully functional, is a highlight for active travelers. Matte black amoeba-shaped walls with pearl white accents house high-end professional equipment, including a commercial-grade treadmill and rowing machine in silver black finish. A chrome dumbbell set is neatly arranged on a black rack. Warm golden LED accents trace the curves of the walls and ceiling, highlighting the equipment without overpowering the space. A curved black-tinted window adds subtle daylight while maintaining privacy. Matte graphite anti-slip flooring ensures safety and durability. This gym manages to be functional, premium, and visually cohesive within the overall design language of the motorhome. Before reaching the cockpit, the passenger seating area offers a comfortable zone for relaxation. Accented with subtle golden piping and underglow, are placed side by side with a compact matte black table between them. Black-tinted windows curve naturally with the motorhome's exterior, while warm golden LEDs trace their edges. Matte charcoal flooring grounds the area, creating a compact yet intimate space where passengers can relax, read, or enjoy the journey. The seating arrangement feels practical, visually attractive, and completely integrated into the motorhome interior. Finally, the cockpit completes the journey. Matte black lower dash surfaces merge into satin silver arcs, framing the realistic steering wheel with subtle gold detailing. A wide digital cluster is embedded in a black glass panel, while two pilot seats in silver beige upholstery with golden stitching sit ready for operation. The wraparound black-tinted windshield mirrors the curves of the motorhome's exterior, and the smooth ceiling arcs above glow with warm golden light. Matte graphite flooring ties the space together, creating a cockpit that is futuristic, compact, and fully functional. Every interior element, from the flowing curves of the bedroom to the intimate spa pool, from the compact office to the functional gym, reflects thoughtful design and premium craftsmanship. Golden lighting highlights every contour, black glass panels add depth, and matte flooring provides contrast and cohesion. This motorhome's interior is not only compact and functional but also visually engaging, ensuring each area has its own personality, while remaining part of a cohesive whole. Every curve, every light, every surface is designed for comfort, aesthetic pleasure, and intelligent functionality. From the intimate bedroom to the luxurious spa, from productive workspaces to compact leisure areas, this motorhome redefines what traveling in style truly means. Explore it for yourself, book a tour today and discover the perfect fusion of design, luxury, and mobility.